Alright then boys, so today I'm going to be spraying this little cap that goes on top of the gear stick white. I'm going to be sanding it down because it's got all cracked and stuff on the top, and it's just really uncomfortable when you're shifting gears because it scrapes along your hands, and yeah, it's just not nice. So I'm gonna spray it white because I've got some white Plasti Dip. So I mean, I'm just going to make use of it and spray the silver part white. I'm pretty sure you can pop this clear part out. So I'm going to give that a go and I'll let you know how it goes. So when you pry it up, make sure you come from the bottom and pry it up this way. So you come in here and you come up like that. Otherwise you'll probably snap one of these things that's holding it in, one of these things, and you might damage this as well. Or you might even damage the actual insert. So don't do it from any other side because it's meant to come up this way. So come in like this, pry it off, it should just pop off. And then you've got this, and on the back, there's like this tiny little insert here on the bottom. I'm hoping that's the like clear part, and I can just pry that off and then spray the chrome part white. Boys, so I got this out, I got the insert out. I went from the back here on the little lip down here with a screwdriver, and I just started pushing it in. But I used the corner so I wouldn't break this plastic because it's not very strong plastic, and you can feel that it's, you know, it's quite cheap. It'll probably shatter if you put too much force into it. So this insert is a black bit with a clear bit on top. So when you are going fucking at it with a screwdriver, be careful of doing what I've done, which is fucking up the little, which is messing up the little bit on the bottom here. You see how it's kind of chipped at the bottom? That's because I've been going at it with a screwdriver. You can kind of see it from the top, but I'm hoping I can just go over that with like a black Sharpie or something. You won't be able to tell because it's just a black piece of plastic here. It's like paper thin, stopping that from being silver. So this bit is the colour. You can change this to literally any colour, even if you just wanted to do the insert. So the letters are different colours, the letters. Even if you wanted to do the insert so the numbers are different colours, you just paint this bit in the middle, this square, and this is clear, so it'll just read through. See what I mean? It's just clear. So you could literally make this inner circle any colour you wanted, and then you just have like, I don't know, red numbers or whatever. I'm going to do the whole thing white so it matches the like white bits inside the car, and obviously the car's white. So, time to go get the Plasti Dip and Plasti Dip this. I'm not going to Plasti Dip the back so that it actually fits in properly when I go to put it back. So I'm only going to do the top Plasti Dip. I'm not going to touch the back because I don't want to affect how it slides into there. Got the bit, I'm just going to put it face down like that. Spray it. That's coat one. Right, so while the Plasti Dip's drying, as you can see I've got a bit of a chip in the plastic, on the black plastic. So what I've got to try and solve this problem is this here, this dry liquid ink marker. It's basically a black permanent marker. I'm just going to go over that and I'm going to see what happens. It could look awful, but I mean, I'm trying to see you don't have to, because if you're going to do this, chances are you're probably going to chip that like I have. Literally, you see this chip on the corner here, on the bottom? Just below the 2 and the 4. I'm just going to go over that with this pen. Like that. And hopefully that kind of makes it look less fucked up when you turn it over. Okay. Right, so I'm back and I've got the little insert here. As you can see, there it is. And I've got this that I've Plasti Dipped white. It's got a few bubbles in it, but you won't see them once the insert's on. So it's pretty simple. There's 3 holes in here. There's 3 clips on the back of here. You just want to put it on, and then you want to just push it in. Oh, there we go. That's now on the gear stick. And then, this is very simple. You just want to push that into the top and then it's done. So I've pushed that in and that actually looks pretty decent, I can't lie. I think I've done a pretty decent job this time around with the Plasti Dip. It's in there, it feels all nice and gummy when you're holding it. Yeah man, it's good. It's got the white letters behind there. I like it a lot. So if you want to Plasti Dip this bit, I hope you found this video helpful on how to get it out, because I had no idea if you could get the clear bit off this bit. But yeah, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see more videos by me. And yeah man, thanks for watching.